Hi, welcome to this tutorial. Today in this video, I'm gonna talk about one of our plugins called HTMenu. HTMenu is an Elementor page builder add-on to create different types of navigation menus for your WordPress website. This add-on will let you use the Elementor templates and widgets so that you can create a custom mega menu according to your needs. You can also control the width of an individual menu and the position of the submenu. If you don't understand what I'm talking about, don't worry. Now I'm gonna show you how you can install this add-on and use it step by step. To install the plugin, first of all, go to Plugins, Add New, type HTMenu in the search box. Click on Install Now button. Once the plugin is installed, activate the plugin. Now you will see a new option on the left side called HTMenu. To explore all the settings of this add-on, go to HTMenu. Under the General tab, you will see the differences between the free and pro version of this add-on. From the Style tab, you can manage all the necessary styles such as color of the menu items, hover color of the menu items, width of the submenu, background color of the submenu, color of the submenu items, hover color of the submenu items, width of the mega menu, background color of the mega menu. You can check our other plugins from the Our Plugins tab. You can also use those plugins if you need. To make it easier for the users, we have added a few pre-built layouts that are located in the template library. If you want to build your menu using one of these pre-built layouts, just hover over the layout that you want to use, click on Import, then click on Edit Template. In order to display the mega menu, go to Appearance, Menus. Now click on Screen Options and enable Mega Menu Settings. After enabling the settings, you will see another option over here. Enable Mega Menu from here. Suppose you want to display the Mega Menu under the menu item sample page. All you have to do is enable Mega Menu for this menu item and select the template that you want to use as a mega menu. You can also increase or decrease the width of the mega menu from here. These options are for pro version only. The position of the mega menu can be controlled from here. If you don't want to use any of our predefined layouts and want to build a totally custom one, then go to Templates, Add New, and click on Create Template. Now you can add any Elementor widget and content based on your requirements. The pro version of this add-on is available on our website HasThemes.com. If you need any feature that is not available in our plugin already, feel free to contact us through our website. Hope you guys understand everything I've shown. That's it from me today. See you in the next one. Thank you.